Introducing the OSDA low-voltage hybrid inverter. Powerful, smart, and built for easy installation. At just 19 kilograms, one person can handle the installation. No cover removal needed. Just plug and play. And with both a touchscreen and physical buttons, it's easy to set up and check. With 97.6% peak efficiency and MTPT efficiency over 99%, it maximizes your solar yield, supports 2 times DC oversizing for more PV input, and in off-grid mode, it delivers full rated power, no derating. Rated IP66 for outdoor installation, with smart fan cooling for reliable operation. Dual TC disconnect switches for rapid shutdown and emergency response, and with APP control, OSDA updates, time of use strategy support. You're always in control, anywhere. Expandable up to 6 units in parallel to grow with your needs. ReCT and logger included, and backed by a 5-year system warranty. OSDA, Smart Energy Simplified.